Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good evening, especially to Muhammad Fatihah. I'm Muhammad Wafi bin Muhammad Syamsul Idam from class 6AB. Today, I would like to show you on how to prepare one of the healthy food that is overnight oats. It is simple menu, delicious and very nutritious. So, let's do it. First of all, we need half cup of oats, 1 cup of low-fat milk, 20 grams of walnuts, 20 grams of sliced strawberries, 20 grams of sliced kiwis, 20 grams of blueberries, 1 teaspoon chia seed, and 1 teaspoon honey. Secondly, pour the oats low-fat milk, chia seed, and honey into the jar. Then, stir it all together. Next, add all the fruits and walnut as a topping on the top of mixture. After that, store the oats in the refrigerator for overnight. Lastly, we can enjoy it for the perfect breakfast for the next morning. The benefits and importance of the overnight oats are: helps to prevent heart disease, helps to relieve constipation, helps to weight loss and lower cholesterol. Let's try it. It's so yummy. You must try it. In addition, it's low in calories. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.